Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. Guys, today I thought I would give you just a little glimpse of my world, my personal family world. So we took my daughter on a vacation and we just got back almost a week ago. And I had some pictures developed because I wanted to make my daughter an album, a mini album. And it's a 6x6 mini album, and I had some Vegas paper, I guess you could call it. It was a kit that I've had for about 3 years, and I personally do not like it. So this was challenging, and it was hard for me to make because I didn't really like the paper, but in the end, I like the way it turned out. So this is what I've made. So I'm going to share pictures of my daughter's vacation. So this is the front of the album, and on the front of the album I put a picture of my husband and my daughter watching the fountain show at the Bellagio. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen this show, but it's beautiful. And that is the Eiffel Tower at the Paris. That is in the background actually. So I mean, I tried to cover as much of the paper as I could because I don't like it. Her favorite color is red, so there is a lot of red in here. So what I did was I put this up on a glittery cardstock black, which was the picture, and then it's up on foam. I use black foam to pop it up off the page, and these are actually stickers that were in the package that I had not used. And the reason I had that package was because I had it was a swap and it was Vegas themed, so I had found that kit. I think it was at Hobby Lobby, and it's been sitting in my stash like forever. Like I said, I think it's been 3 years. Okay, so I use gold glitter paper for the bottom mat, and then red, and then I use this dice paper, and it's really thin, for the top layer. And then I went ahead and put some bling here on the sides, and then the 2 stickers, like I said, that came from the pack. And then this is the side. This is another sticker that was in the pack, and I put some more bling on the sides. There's the red mat. And this is part of one of the papers, and all I did was cut it out and put some glitter paper behind it and used it as ephemera. And then the back is plain, nothing on the back. So I kind of like the way this looks, even though a lot of the paper shows. I think it looks good. So we open it up, and this is the first page. And I know it's really busy and a lot going on. But this is the inside cover, and again, this is from the kit, and I put some bling here on the sides just to try to make it all flow together. And this is a picture of my daughter and my husband, and they're standing in front of Fremont Street. And if you can tell, we're standing away because there was a lot of people on the other side of the street, so we tried to minimize our exposure to the public. So this opens up this way with a magnet, and this is a picture again of my daughter on this side of the street, and she has her mask on right here. So this is her by Fremont Street, and see the paper, the background paper. Ugh, those are not my favorite colors. Here's my husband again, and we did also celebrate his birthday. It was a bit of a milestone. And then we flip it over, and I didn't have a picture here, so I put a sticker on there. But you know what, I was going through my phone, and there was like 3 pictures that I didn't get developed, so I'm gonna have to get those. And this is my daughter. We had gone shopping at one of the local shops, souvenir shops, and this is so pretty. I don't know if you guys have ever gone to Las Vegas on Fremont Street. They have the light show on Fremont Street. And this is a pocket that I made, and that is us again, and we have our masks on. And this is my daughter and I. And I mean, look at the paper. Those are really primary, and I just don't ever work with primary colors. And then that is my daughter at the Bellagio. They have like I forgot what they call it, but everything is made out of flowers. Really, really pretty. So that is her in front of Hello Kitty. And there's nothing on the back. I guess I could put those pictures on the back of this. Anyway, I'm gonna get them developed. So this closes back up this way, and that does close with a magnet. And this is my daughter, and I put bling on the mat so she can pull them out easier, because this is her album. And this is my daughter and me, and that's my husband and my daughter. She's our princess, guys. She's our special gift. So that goes back in there that way. And then we flip it over, and that is one of the shows that they were playing on the Fremont Experience. And this is my husband. This is his birthday. This is the day that we were celebrating his birthday, because it was his actual birthday. So this opens up like that, and that is my wonderful, amazing husband. And this is my beautiful daughter. And we had lunch, and it was hard to find a sit-down restaurant, but we had lunch, and it was so good. My husband had the salmon salad. It's like a Caesar salad with salmon in it. My daughter had one with chicken, and I had some chicken strips. Had to commemorate the day. So look at the background paper, guys. Not my favorite. Anyway, so that is what we had for lunch on his birthday. And then this just ties back up. You know, I meant to, and I'm still going to do it, but I meant to cut out a happy birthday with a die cut that I have, a birthday die. So I'm still going to cut that out and put it up here. And then this slides out, and that is one of the displays at the Bellagio, and that is the wisteria tree. It is so gorgeous. So there is that. Okay. And then we flip the page, and Mama was tired. Let me tell you, Mama was tired. That was when we were having his birthday dinner. I was looking up at my daughter, and my husband snapped that picture. So here's my husband and me. I know it kind of looks like my eyes are closed, but they really aren't. So I put that little flap there, and then this one over here, my daughter is playing with one of the machines, and then this flips out, and she had fun with this game, guys. My daughter was playing 50 and 75 cents a spin, because she doesn't know really how much she's spending. So right here she got a little bonus, so she was having fun. And then this is part of the Bellagio display, and that is us outside enjoying the water show. Guys, it was hot. Oh my gosh, it was hot. But anyway, put that back in there, and then we flip it over, and this is a large belly band, and I used green right here on the glitter paper, and then I put some bling on the sides, and that's my daughter sitting at one of the machines playing. And then it's a belly band, so take out my mats, and there are more pictures. Right here she started to play the game, right here she got a little bonus, and right here she's playing the bonus. So I just thought, those need to go together. So that put it right there in that belly band. And then right here, I told her to look this way. She's playing the Monopoly game. And then we pull this out, and again, there's my husband and my daughter. I said really quickly, there was nobody around. I said really quickly, pull down your mask so I can see your face. And that is my husband and me. Oh my gosh, I was so tired. Alright guys, and then flip it over, and then there's a pocket right here, and again those are stickers from the pack. I put a load of bling right there so it'll all flow together. And then there's my husband. We were at the airport on our way back, and this one actually was one picture that I cut to fit on these little mats. I went ahead and cut it up so that, you know, I could get 3 of these little mats, and I just noticed that this one is a little bit taller than the rest, so I'm gonna have to cut that down. Yeah, so this was us in the Uber ride. and here's my daughter again playing another game. And right here again at the Bellagio, and oh my gosh, that was such a gorgeous scene right there. I just love that. And that is the last page, and then we flip the last page over, and here is the last picture that I put in here. And again, it's got the glitter, the green glitter paper, and it's got some more bling right there, right here, just to tie it all together. And then that's my daughter and I waiting at the airport to come back. And there you go. You know, overall it didn't turn out bad. I just, you know, don't like the paper, you know, that I had, but you know me, I'm trying not to go to the store, so there you go. And guess what, guys? Yes, I forgot the closure, but you know what? It's not bad, because when I stand it up, it's still, you know, even if it were to open, it's not going to open more than that. So yeah, this is going to go in her room. This is her little album. It took me like literally the entire day yesterday to finish this for her, but she saw it, she's happy, she likes it, and you know, it's done, you know, and not bad, you know, for covering up that paper. It's not bad. I mean, I still think it turned out okay, and yeah, not too bad. And I still have like 3 sheets of this paper left over. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I guess it'll just have to sit in my stash for another 3 years or something before I have to, or before I use it again. Anyway, guys, I thought I would give you a little glimpse of my daughter's vacation. Just share a little bit of my family with you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all have a great day. Love you all.